Dubai. Look, my whole body is filled with rain. And yeah, guys, look at this. It's raining finally. It's finally raining. After so many days. That's the train. Okay, what about this though? There's so much rain on my floor. Even my tab is filled with rain. Okay. Guys, by the way, my tab is also filled with rain right now. And it's almost streets of rain, by the way, guys. I can't tell if you like it or not. Well, guys, also that side is also raining. It's raining everywhere. Even the clouds are clearing. It's that rain and foggy. By the way, guys, I'm in the rain right now. I'm in the rain right now, guys, and guys, I got filled with rain in my tab too. With my tab might get like in bad situation, guys. That's okay. I'll do it for you guys. By the way, this was my Dubai rain. I live in Dubai, by the way. This is the rain. Started raining a lot nowadays. It's also thundering.